Welcome to You Can Do It. A couple of little things. So we've had a problem today. So this is a problem about your radio and your Bluetooth and all that sort of stuff. So what actually happened was I've just had to pull off the motorway because I started up, drove straight on the motorway. Look what's happened. So if I go through my... Okay, look what's happened. So if I've got my audio, I've got my navigation, I've got my settings, I've got my MFD, audio, navigation, settings, MFD. Where's my telephone and Bluetooth? So I've had this happen before, so I'm going to show you how we get that going. Now if you take this to the dealer, they'll probably say that the whole system's broken, you need it replaced, and it's like hundreds and hundreds of pounds. But there's a way around this. So it's gone. So you need a 10mm spanner. So I'm going to turn this off like that. I'm going to flip the bonnet here. Wait if I can find the lever. Yep, I flip the bonnet. We'll go outside with a 10mm spanner. Okay, so we pop the bonnet. Now I have under here, I have all my cables. So look, I pop the bonnet. We'll take this off. Yes, because what we're trying to do is just take off. We disconnect the negative. We just disconnected it. Let's just leave it for a minute, okay? So I'll see you back in a minute. So that was actually 5 minutes because I just got talking to some chap. But yeah, there you are. So you put that back on again, and we'll tighten that up. Make sure you do it nice and tight. Don't want that coming off. Not too silly tight, obviously. Right, I'll put my cables back in there and I'll see you back inside. Okay, back inside in the warm. It's been freezing out there. Right, so let's turn it on. It helps if I put it into gear, into neutral, sorry. Park. Forget about that. MFD, there she is. The phone is back. We have takeoff. Settings, MFD, phone. Yeah, so I've back there. So I've got my phone back. So that's a little bit of advice for anyone out there who suddenly loses their sort of Bluetooth and access to their phone, to the stereo system and everything. You've got to basically disconnect the battery and leave it for a minute or two and then reconnect it. So hope this video has helped people. If you like the channel, like the videos, please subscribe. We do lots of things here about fixing VWs and life in general. If you've got any comments, send me a comment. I reply to them all at the moment. But see you on the next video. And just remember, you can do it.